Hello everyone, welcome back to another fun crafting tutorial. My name is Daisy. Today I have a perfect Christmas gift idea for kids. Personalized tumblers using sublimation. We'll learn how to sublimate fun designs on kids' tumblers with both a sublimation oven and a tumbler press. This technique will help us create unique gifts with vibrant colors and charming characters. Let's add some magic to your Christmas gift. Before starting the process, I want to thank you for visiting and for subscribing to my channel. I am so glad you're here. If you haven't done so yet, I invite you to subscribe so you don't miss any tutorials and we can continue creating together. Now, let's get started. For this project, we're going to need kids tumblers. These ones are 12-ounce tumblers from PYDLIFE Amazon. They come in beautiful colors. And what I like about these tumblers is that they sublimate perfect. You will see the results in a little bit. Now to print the sublimation designs, we're going to need a printer with sublimation ink. I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. If you would like to learn how to convert an Epson EcoTank into a sublimation printer, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. Sublimation paper. This is letter size sublimation paper from PYDLIFE Amazon. Heat tape, and to make the wrapping process easier, I like to use this PYDLIFE tumbler holder. To transfer the designs to the tumblers, we can use either a sublimation oven or a tumbler press. I'm going to show you both. And if you decide to use an oven, we're going to need a heat gun and shrink wrap. Also, we're going to need heat-resistant gloves, these to work with both tumbler press and the oven. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. I'm going to start working with the design using the free graphic design program Inkscape. You can use any graphic design program if you wish. I already have these designs ready to print, but I'm going to show you how to create one template from start. First, I'm going to show you how to insert the image that we're going to use for the template. Let's go to File, Import, open the folder where you have your design selected, and open it. Click OK. And here is the design. I'm going to place it aside. Now, I'm going to click on the square and I'm going to draw a rectangle on the white canvas. Click on the top arrow on the left, then open the log. Instead of millimeters, change it to inches. And now here we're going to input the measurements. 8.5 by 4.92. These are the measurements for the template for the 12 ounces kids tumblers. Now we're going to place the image. We can just change the color of the rectangle and add the image and text, but this time I'm going to add a background. I have this design with the background, so I'm going to put the template on top of the background. I'm going to select both layers, right click and set clip. We already have the background with the same measurements. Now on top, we're going to place the design. I'm going to resize it, but I'm going to close the lock so it doesn't distort. Now we can print it like that, or we can also add more designs and text. I'm going to insert a few butterflies on the template. Now we're going to add text. Click on the A on the left, then click on the canvas and start typing your text. This font is from Creative Fabrica. I'm going to link it in the video description down below if you would like to use it. Resize the text. You can leave it on horizontal or you can change it to vertical using this icon. Now I'm going to add an offset. Click on Path, then Link Offset. Click on the second arrow from top to bottom, and there on top of the text you're going to see a little diamond. Stretch it to the outside and then change the color. I'm going to add a light pink using the color palette below. And it's ready. Now select all the layers, right click and group, and it's ready to be printed. Now I'm going to show you how to print these templates. Select the template that you wish to use and place it inside of the white canvas. Then go to File, Print, select your sublimation printer, go all the way down and select more options or more settings. And on paper source, select where you are putting your sublimation paper on the printer. I'm going to select paper cassette. Select letter size or the size you wish to print. On orientation, select landscape. On paper type, we're going to select premium presentation paper matte. On quality, select high. Print preview, then go to the top, select more options, and click on mirror image. It's very important to select mirror image. Click OK, then print. And this is a preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on print. And like I mentioned at the beginning, to print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 with sublimation ink. And I already printed all my templates. Now I'm going to cut them using a guillotine. You can use scissors if you wish. Now I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping the tumblers. This is optional, but to make it easy to wrap the designs to the tumblers, I am using this tumbler holder. It's from PYDLIFE. It makes it easy for me because like that I can use both hands to place the heat tape. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Make sure the wrap is very tight. This same way, I'm going to wrap the rest of the tumblers. And here we have them. I'm going to press 2 with the tumbler press, and I'm going to bake the other 3 using the sublimation oven. I'm going to start using the tumbler press. I'm going to press them at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. I'm going to press both at the same time. If the press doesn't cover the tumblers completely, we're going to press them for 50 seconds first, then we're going to rotate them and press them another 50 seconds. Like for example, these ones are not completely covered, so we're going to press them twice, but we're going to rotate halfway. And these ones are ready. I'm going to let them cool down before removing the paper. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and start baking the other ones. The process for this is different. We're going to have to wrap the tumblers with shrink wrap. And we're going to need a heat gun and heat gloves. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake them at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. I'm going to bake 3 at the same time. I am using the PYDLIFE Sublimation Oven. This is the smaller one. They offer 3 different sizes, 12, 25, and 40 liters. I'm going to link them in the video description down below. And they are ready. We're going to let them cool down and then we're going to remove the wrap. These two are the ones that we pressed using the tumbler press. We are going to reveal the design and look how beautiful. Love the colors. And believe me, kids love these tumblers. We're going to reveal the other design. This one also was pressed with the tumbler press. Look how beautiful. It's gorgeous. The advantages of pressing with the tumbler press is that it's very easy to remove the wrapping. Now the ones baked with the oven will take a little longer to remove the shrink wrap. But the advantage of baking them with the sublimation oven is that we can bake several at the same time. This one is also beautiful. I love the colors. So with both machines, we obtained beautiful results. So you can pick the one that best suits your needs. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description down below. Also there, I'm going to link the font and the signs used for this tutorial. And that's it. Now you have a unique, personalized tumblers ready to bring a smile to any kid's face. Whether you're using the oven or a heat press, these methods make it easy to create beautiful, professional-looking gifts. These tumblers are a fantastic idea for gifts, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel inspired to create your own kids-friendly gifts. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun DIY ideas. Happy crafting!